Hey guys, happy spring! I am so excited. I just received this package from Florida Boys Caladiums out in Lake Placid, Florida. And this particular caladium is called Red Flash. So I just want to come in here and show you guys. And just so you guys know, anytime I order any products that I'm very happy with, very satisfied with online or any place, I will always share that with you guys. I mean, this is what YouTube is all about. It's all about sharing things. So, oh look, we appreciate you. Thank you card from the Florida Boys. We have a few cards. We have some cards. And looks like we have some, how do I plant my bulbs, some instructions on taking care of your caladiums. Oh, cool. And a Florida Boys Caladium pen. Awesome. So the most important part here is, look at the size of these bulbs. Look at this. This is like massive. These things are going to be huge. The reason I bought these is because I have hostas on the side of my house and I have green hostas, so I thought, what can I get for my side walkway that will accent, you know, kind of bring in a little bit more accent to the garden where the green hostas are. And I figured, you know what, caladiums. So this one particular is a green red with white specks on it. And look at this. I am so satisfied with this order. So I got 25 for $15. I mean, that is a really good deal. And considering that these things, look at the size. These things are going to be massive. They're going to be massive and they're going to look so nice on the side of my walkway. So I'm really excited about these. I can't wait to plant them. I plan on doing that this weekend. So hopefully you guys will find this video very helpful, and I hope that you guys are enjoying spring and enjoying your garden as well. And until then, we'll talk to you soon. Happy gardening!